Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your remote to your Chromecast with Google TV. Very easy if you lost connection or you simply need to resync it. So I have my remote right here. Let's go to the back of my TV to my Google Chromecast. Now locate the button right under the light and hold this down until it turns orange. So it's turning orange. Once that happens, let's go to the front of the TV and it should be searching for accessories to connect to via Bluetooth. Alright, on the screen it says searching for accessories before pairing your Bluetooth devices. Make sure they're in the pairing mode. So to get your remote into the Bluetooth pairing mode, hold down the back button, the arrow, and the home button. And hold both these down at the same time and you'll notice a light on the bottom here will begin to pulsate and blink. Now, you should see it right about here, and it's connecting. So my remote's already connected, but this should stay blinking if it's searching for a Bluetooth device to connect to. And when that happens, we should be able to press like the home button and go back to the home screen on a remote once we're connected. So it's not blinking anymore. I'm completely paired, and I can use my Chromecast now with my remote. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.